So once you have all of your footage inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, we want to create a brand new sequence from your chosen clip. And now inside of this sequence, you just want to go through and we're just going to delete the audio from this because we don't need this. So I'm just going to unlink that, select all of those audio channels, and then I'm just going to delete all of those because we don't need those. Here we can just go through and copy that video layer. So we've got 2 of those layers. From here in opacity, you want to create a brand new circle mask. And then we're just going to position this on top of the element that you want to duplicate within your scene. So this is going to be a moving element. So you want to create a brand new keyframe on the mask path, and then you want to update this throughout the entirety of the shot. So this mask should be following this object. So in this example, this is following the boat. And then from here, you just want to increase the feathering up to around 100%. Now from here, we can copy that cloned video layer. We can throw it on top of the pile. And then as you can see, if we push this back into the video, there's a nice clone of this boat. So if we do this one more time, we copy it once more, drag that on top, and we push that back towards the end of here. You can see there are 3 variations of this boat. There are 3 clones. And you can keep doing this over and over again until you've got loads and loads of different boats. Because this video is actually quite short, if I have any more than 1 clone in this effect, they're all going to start blurring into each other and the effect just isn't going to work. So unfortunately, we have to leave this at 2, but we can go over towards the orange boat on the right and we can clone this one as well. So I'm going to copy that bottom video layer. And then same again, I'm going to create a circle mask around this one, animate the path. I'm going to do this throughout the entirety of the shot, and then we're just going to pull the feathering of this shot up to around 100%. And now again, if we copy this video layer and put it on top, then you're going to see that there are these different clones of this boat throughout the entirety of the scene. However, because this video is only 15 seconds long, I only have a short amount of time to play with, so I can't do loads and loads of clones. This is why I would seriously recommend shooting your footage for anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes. If you captured a really long video, then it basically means that you're going to be able to create this seamless looping animation and it's going to look really awesome. So make sure you capture at least 60 seconds of video when you're doing this effect. So to clean this up and take this to the next level, I'm just going to add some camera movement. So we're just going to cut the start and the end off all of these video clips so that we've just got this solid, clean 5 video layers on top of each other. And then from here, we're going to select all of these, pre-compose these, and then we'll select all of these layers, right click, and we're just going to nest these. And then in this nested composition, we're going to create a new keyframe for the scale and the position at the start of the video. We'll scroll towards the end of the video, and then we'll just increase the scale and adjust the position. And this is just going to add some really basic digital camera zoom to your effect. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon to stay updated on all future uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.